Look at those titties.
Where?
Morgana has some.
Oh yeah,
squishy
Morgana's got
titties.
some titties.
Wait, what?
I can't, there's no way I can react to that. I'm too slow. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Question mark?
Where are your feelings?
You hurt my feelings.
How did I hurt your feelings?
Oh no, you just did
You don't-
somehow.
Dude, you don't have feelings. What are you talking about?
Oh shit, he's right.
Only fools hesitate.
Am I just the clown here? Hee hee. Do you just make fun of me?
No, now I feel bad. I'm sorry.
Well, your name is Spank the Clown, and I guess that would be me. I'm spanking the clown.
He's basically out of mana. What?
Oh my god,
Can I dash you?
Alright, when my Q's up, we're gonna go hard on him.
Hey. Holy shit, did you see Monkey?
No, what did he do?
Monkey flew over here.
That's weird.
Oh! Damn it. Ooh, there's Tristana. I'm gonna fuck her mouth wide open.
Hot. Oh, come on.
Fuck.
Tristana's over here. Bonk.
Rat-a-tat, pincer, pincer, pincer.